Why you should never pinch your nose to stop a sneeze. Stop before you pinch your nose to quiet that sneeze. You might want to hear this. When you suppress a sneeze, you're trapping a massive amount of pressurized air inside your head. That pressure has to go somewhere. By holding it in, you can force that air into your ears, potentially rupturing your eardrums or causing severe vertigo. In rare cases, people have even caused blood vessels in their eyes to pop or damage their throat lining. It's much safer to just let it rip. If you're worried about the noise, sneeze into your elbow, not your hands. Don't risk your hearing for a little politeness. Let it out.